Let's look at the top 20 DevOps interview question. What is DevOps? Explain in brief. DevOps is a term used in the IT industry which promotes collaboration and communication between software development and operations team to streamline the process of software delivery with a minimum failure rate of releases. It also helps to speed up the delivery, optimize automation of processes, and improvise through quick feedbacks. What is the usage of DevOps in the industry? There are many industries that are using DevOps in order to minimize the time deadline risks, mitigation of bug fixes, better working relationships, quality delivery of software, and taking care of customer satisfaction. Moreover, it reduces costs and increases the chances of succeeding companies. The primary objective of DevOps is to help us to get the production processes as quickly as possible while minimizing the risks in software quality assurance and compliance. What is the difference between Agile, Lean IT, and DevOps? The difference is in the breadth of focus. Agile aims to optimize software development, specifically, which doesn't consider the other parts of the IT value stream. DevOps recognizes that this just pushes the constraint downstream to Ops, so it works to break down walls between the two. What are the advantages of DevOps? The benefits are like continuous software delivery, less complexity to manage, faster resolution of problems, happier, more productive teams, higher employee engagement, greater professional development opportunities, faster delivery of features, more stable operating environments, improved communication and collaboration, more time to innovate. What are the 3 important DevOps KPIs? 3 most common DevOps KPIs are: mean time to failure recovery, deployment frequency, percentage of failed deployments. Explain the typical roles involved in DevOps. DevOps architect, the person responsible for leading the entire DevOps process from the design and implementation of enterprise applications and infrastructure among production and non-production environment. DevOps engineer, the person must have experience with Agile, version control or SCM, CD and infrastructure automation and database management skills. Any developer who has coding or scripting skills can qualify for the role of DevOps engineer. List out some popular tools and which tools have you worked on. Selenium, Puppet, Chef, Ansible, Git, Jenkins, Docker, Jira, Monet, Bamboo, SonarQube, Nagios, Splunk. Which scripting tools are used in DevOps? Python, Ruby, MS PowerShell, Perl, etc. Name the cloud computing platforms which are used for DevOps. Amazon Web Services, Microsoft Azure, Google Cloud, etc. What are the prerequisites for the implementation of DevOps? Some of the prerequisites that are useful for implementation of DevOps are: communication across the organization in need of changes, commitment at a senior level in the organization, automated tools for processes, automated testing, version control software, automated deployment. What do you understand by infrastructure as code and configuration management? Infrastructure as code (IAC) is a type of IT infrastructure that manages and tracks configuration in files automatically rather than the manual process. This allows for transparent tracking of infrastructure changes and allows for more scalable configuration through usually versioning system. Configuration management systems are software systems that allow managing an environment in a safe, consistent, and reliable manner. By using a domain-specific language (DSL), multiple people can work and conduct the storage of system configuration for thousands of servers in a single place. List the key components of DevOps. The following are the key components of DevOps: continuous integration, continuous delivery, continuous monitoring and logging, microservices, infrastructure as code, communication and collaboration. What experience or knowledge do you have in DevOps projects?
You can mention your previous job as a DevOps engineer or architect and explain your role as to how you were working and what all projects you were involved in, and talk about providing support to the project teams.
Example: .NET J2EE with the Agile process and tools involved in the end-to-end automation. What is your outlook for the career prospect in DevOps? The most important aspect would be to help in improving the processes, involvement at the end-to-end delivery, to enable the development and operations teams to work together and understand each other's point of view.